everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to highlight my face. So I'll show you how I go from this to this. So let's talk brushes. Personally, I like to use a fan brush or an angled blush brush. But honestly, you guys can use whatever brush that works for you and that you're comfortable using. I like to highlight across the bridge of my nose, across my cheeks, my chin, forehead, and the inner corners of my eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to take my PMG Mothership palette. I'm going to use the Gold Lust 001 shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Of course, you don't have to use this palette. A good old gold shimmery color will do. As you can see, guys, I'm just using a dabbing motion with my brush to just brighten the inner corners of my eyes. I really love this palette though. It's so versatile. It's not only just for like your eyes, you could use it for general highlighting as well. And it's so pigmented, so the colors really pop and stand out. If you find that you're using too much product, just pat some of the excess off on the side of the palette. Next up, I'm going to take my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, the Glow Finish one in Medium Deep. You can pour a little bit of the powder into the lid to apply, but I just go straight into it. I just can't be bothered to do all that. Tap off the excess. I don't want to use too much of this. I don't want to look like the daughter of a solid gold dancer. Shout out to Dorothy's Bonak. I love the golden girls, you guys. Using a sweeping motion, swipe that across your cheeks towards your hairline. Okay, so I'm going to make a quick disclaimer, you guys. I am not a makeup artist. I hate set makeup rules that where you like have to do this or that. I don't like that. I just do what I believe works for me and my face. I'm sure if legit MUAs like watch my videos, they'll cringe so much their limbs fall off. I'm not sure how by the book my technique is, but this is just something that I do that I think looks kind of okay on me, so that's why I just wanted to share with you guys. See, this is why it takes me 20 years to get my makeup done. All these shenanigans. Anyway, back to work, you guys. I just blend it right up my cheekbones, chin, across the bridge of my nose. You can just take your time blending, you guys. Usually I don't take this long to highlight. It's something that I just do quickly. But I just wanted to, you know, go into depth, you know, for the sake of this video. Some people find it easier to use a fan-shaped brush. Honestly, whatever works, like I said. Anyway, I'm just going to blend a little bit more because it's still a little too harsh for me, and I'll be right back with the final look. And I'm done, you guys. I was super nervous about this video as I'm like not too confident in my makeup skills yet because I'm still learning, but I think it came out okay this time. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!